you've ever been to South Beach, you know there's a lot of places to get great Asian cuisine, but none like this one. Under $10 for stir fries? I gotta check this out. This is Sriracha House. All right, so we're here with the Prince of Spice himself. This is his house, Sriracha House. Daniel, how are you, my friend?
Amen.
So let's just get started right off the bat. What's the special we're running today?
We have a great special right now. It's the last special for $6.95. You can choose between all these noodles. We have egg noodles, rice noodles, glass noodles made of sweet potato starch, udon noodles made of yuca, whole wheat noodles, and also we have brown rice and jasmine rice.
I didn't even know that many noodles existed. But all right, let's get this started. So we're probably looking at, let's do some udon noodles, throw in some shrimp, and then you know what, let's make that as spicy as possible, because you know what, we are in the Sriracha House.
Got it.
It's one thing to talk about it, but actually jumping behind and seeing how it's done, I think it might give me a better perspective on this. You mind if I jump back there with you?
Yeah, you can eat, yep.
All right, man, let's get this started. All right, Daniel, let's get started. What are we up to?
Ready. We're gonna make the udon noodles, okay?
All right.
With some delicious shrimp that you order. All right, a fresh veg blend that has cabbage, spring onions, carrots. Okay, right now we're warming up the wok.
Remember, I put you up to the challenge. I'm trying to see how possibly spicy
It'll be
you can get this
extremely spicy, don't worry about that. So right now you know that wok is warm. I'm adding a little bit of vegetable oil. Okay. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add the egg. Okay.
Egg drop.
Yep. Secret ingredient, which is a mix of ginger garlic, spread the egg, then we mix everything. Now we add the noodles. Wow.
I can already smell. I mean, it smells unbelievable. The garlic
everything is fresh. We have fresh product. We cut the vegetables every day. We make our own homemade sauce.
So what would you say it is, besides obviously the low prices, that keeps people coming back here?
Quality of food, basically, friendly stuff.
I'd say so.
I believe that the food that we have here, you know, is very healthy. It's fresh, and you can taste. Actually, you can smell it right now.
Oh my God, yeah. Just from the smell, you know when you smell something, you feel like you can taste it? That's kind of how it is right now. It's kind of the sensation I'm having.
So right now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add the sauce, right?
Bomb.
And I'm going to add a little bit of secret ingredient, which is the Sriracha, all right? Sriracha sauce to make it spicy. Mix everything.
Now I wish we had smell, like some way to smell through the television, because this is unreal.
Affordable, healthy, fresh.
And all that in about 3 minutes.
Yep, that's it.
Wow. Well, I'm sincerely impressed, sir. Prince of Spice here has hooked me up with what looks absolutely phenomenal. I can't wait to take this back over the table, give it a try, and see what you're all about.
I'm not a tourist, and I'm not trying to get hit with a $50, $40 price tag.
I'm in school right now, so eating out is like pretty much no-go unless it's on a budget.
So if you want to just sit down and eat somewhere cool, and you know it's in your budget, it's only like less than $10.
To be honest, like you can get some really delicious food here, a lot of it too, in this like huge tray.
Today I have my vegan delight. I've got a little bit of broccoli, some tofu, and some green stuff.
Today I got some udon noodles with some chicken and some teriyaki. It's delicious. It's a great spot to come, and it's just like a cool place. It's a relaxing place. It's not too crazy.
This is where you want to come.
All right, so I gave my friend Daniel a challenge. I said, Daniel, I know this is a great deal. I know it's under $10, and I know it's going to be delicious, but I want you to make it as spicy as possible. He said, you know what, MJ? I got you. And while I believe my friend Daniel, just for good measure, just squirt a little more of that on top. See that color? Unbelievable. Oh. First thing, right off the bat, spicy. Delicious. Everything in here, the egg, the vegetables. But I gotta tell you guys, I think you might have surpassed my expectations, because this thing is, well, it's hot. And there's other words I'd like to use, but this is for television. I just can't believe that I get this much food at this higher quality, this delicious, for under $10. but damn, I could have done without that extra Sriracha squirt because this thing is hot. All right, guys, well, I need to take a quick walk, get a little cool down from all that spicy food, but when we come back, I'm gonna turn you on to a taco deal that's gonna blow your mind. Stay tuned.